Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute mermaid. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw her face. I will draw her two cute eyes, her little nose, and her smiling mouth. I start with her beautiful hair like this. Now let's decorate her like this. Then I draw her neck. Then I draw her arms. Her chest. I draw her bra. And then her mermaid tail like this. Then I draw the scales for her entire mermaid tail. Now I draw the bottom of the ocean. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the skin with cream. Her hair is going to be red. Light red. Pink. Red for her bra. Orange. Yellow. Then light green. Aquamarine. For her mermaid tail, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow. Then light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, purple, pink, fuchsia, aqua blue. Mint. I color the sandy background with light brown. Finally, I draw wavy lines on the background with different shades of blue. This is going to be water. Light blue. I like this. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.